What is up, everybody? It is me, Ashley, and welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we are doing a very unexpected unboxing. I didn't order this. I didn't know I was getting it. It just showed up at my door, and I'm really thankful for that because, yeah. So today, I haven't opened it yet. I just tore the little label so that I wouldn't struggle to open it on camera. We are unboxing a box from Simple Truth and Influencer. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. And oh yeah, check out my nails. They're bomb, huh? Like I got like a little pink moment going on. Nails are fire. All right, so yeah, let's get into the actual video. So this is the box. This is a Simple Truth Beauty Crate collection. And it says, fresh twist on beauty, straight from the crate, period. All right, so let's see what's in here. Y'all, this smells. This box smells so freaking, oh, it smells so good. Judging by like the outside, them look like little sugar cubes exfoliate. Oh, sorry. These look like little sugar cubes exfoliator. I saw these at Target and was about to buy them one day, but put them back because I'm very indecisive. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up. And like I said, I did cut the tape because I didn't want to struggle on camera. But let's see. Oh, this smells like Lush. Can y'all see this? Hold on. Yeah, look at this goodness. Oh my goodness, look at all this. I'm so excited. And it smells, oh, this is so pretty. I wonder what these are. Oh, they feel like soap. I know they're soap. Oh, soap. Oh, it smells so good. Sea salt and seaweed. Okay. Yeah. All right, so beauty crate collection, market inspired beauty products infused with food-based ingredients, so it's all natural. Whoa, you hear me? All natural. It's no parabens. I call them phthalates, but everybody else call them something different. You feel me? Don't nobody know how to say it for real. No synthetic fragrances, dyes, or colors. Cruelty-free. No harsh chemicals, like ever. Yeah, I was hoping it would explain what the products were, but it doesn't. So yeah, let's just dig into it. Oh, these are so cute. They're like in a little egg carton. How cute is that? That's real cute. So first thing we have is these Bath Bombs, avocado, coconut, and papaya. Yeah, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. They're like in a little egg container. Oh my gosh, what is it? Yeah, okay, I can smell the coconut. For sure. So it's avocado, coconut, and papaya. I wonder if certain ones are certain things. But yo, these are so cute. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, these are so cute. I love them. Make me want to take a bath. I love it. I don't even want to use them. I just want to save them in the packaging because they're so cute and I don't want to get rid of it. It's literally, and I could swear that Simple Truth is like a food brand. So the fact that they're coming out, and I'm pretty sure it's a food brand, like, I don't know if I've seen it at Target or Publix. I don't know. But I could swear Simple Truth is a food brand. And y'all, they come out with beauty products and look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. I love these. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what are these? These are the sugar cubes. Yeah, I saw that on the front of the box. A fresh twist on beauty with simple made ingredients you can feel good about. Okay, so it's sealed. That's good. What scent is this? Peach and apricots. These are little exfoliating scrub bars. These smell so good. I kind of want to eat it. Can I like lick it? I don't know if I should lick it. I probably shouldn't do that, but I feel like I'm real close to the camera, but it's cool. These smell freaking amazing. Oh my god. Those smell so good. I don't know. Oh yeah, so you just like scrub it on your body. I'm using it in the shower tonight. Oh, that's a nice type of exfoliation going on. Okay, that was a nice little exfoliation going on. I wonder where y'all can buy these at. I don't know, man. I don't know. They ain't got a website or nothing. Maybe it's like at the bottom of the box. I'm gonna look at the bottom for y'all. Look at the bottom. And okay, so y'all saw me pick up these soaps here. And this is the sea salt and seaweed and kelp soap. It smells so good. I really would just want to use this for decoration, honestly. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, this smells just like Lush. You know what Lush smell like? This smells like Lush. It's amazing. Okay, and then we have this almond and oatmeal and honey. Soap, bar soap. This smells amazing too. All right, so let me look on the website and see. Let me see if I can find these on the website, and then I'm gonna come back and holler at y'all. All right, y'all, so I did do a little digging, and I have found out that Simple Truth, I knew I saw it at a grocery store. I saw this is a Kroger thing. So unfortunately, I am not able to find a website to buy these abuse. Psych, y'all. So as soon as I got done filming, I found the links and everything. So here's the Instagram right here on the screen, and the link to buy everything is going to be down in the description. Check it out. Bye. Beautiful products from, but you know, they're cute and they smell really good. They're all natural. So yeah, there's no website. If there is, I'm going to put it down in the link once I do find it. Once I do find it, I just cannot find it now. But y'all, I love these products, and make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to, so you can like stay up to date on like how these actually work, because I will be trying these. Or if y'all want like an Instagram update review video, I can review them for you too. I don't know. I am going to be reviewing these tonight. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was, you know, wasn't that interesting, but yo, Kroger got a whole little beauty care line of their own. That's wild. Yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.